Hi class, how are you doing today?
Good.
Alright, so today we're going to be learning about how to solve two-step equations. Does anyone have an idea of what that might mean? Yeah, Kelly.
Is that like equations x and y?
Oh, close. So you're right there. It does have x. So we are gonna start getting into today where our math equations are gonna start having letters in it. I know, like kind of weird, right? But that's alright. So today, pull up on your whiteboard. I have this equation. Oh, I don't know if that'll see very well. We've got 2x minus 12 equals 15 here. So this is gonna be an example of a two-step equation that we're going to work with today first. If you'd like, you can write that down in your little notebooks. So this is going to be the first one we're going to be working with today. Alright, and then we actually there's a little trick to being able to do these two-step equations. Alright, so if someone can drop a beat for me, can give me a beat. AJ, can you give me a beat?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Okay, solve this equation, no need to fret. Just isolate the x and you're all set. Boom. Mic drop right there. Alright, so that's gonna be like it's not that easy. I think we all can do this. I mean, not that hard. We all can do this. So just like, our little rhyme we've got, so to solve this equation, no need to fret, so we don't gotta worry about that. We just have to isolate that x, and then you're all set. All we gotta do to solve that. Alright, can you repeat that with me? Alright. So, to solve this equation, no need to fret, just isolate the x, and you're all set. How does that feel?
Good.
Alright. Awesome.
Yeah.
So, if we've got here 2x minus 12 equals 15, how are we going to get that x by itself? What's that first step going to be, do you think? Yeah, Carmen.
Would the first step be just adding the 12 to the other side?
Yeah, that's a great idea. So that's what we're going to do for that first step here. So if we add 12, that's a great job, because then we're getting rid of that 12 where the 2x is. And then what's that 15 plus 12 going to be? What are we going to put over here now?
We're going to put 27. Oh, sorry, I didn't raise my hand.
That's okay.
Apologies.
That's alright. Alright, so now look at what we've got here. We've got some 2x equals 27. Alright, so now what are we going to do? How do we get rid of that x? I mean, get the x by itself there. Kelly.
Well, since like the 2 and the x are being multiplied, do you divide each side by 2?
That sounds like a great idea, because you know what the opposite of multiplication is?
Division.
Boom. All set. Alright, so now we're going to divide 27 by 2. And how many times do you think 2 is going to go into 27 there? It's a little weird because it's an odd number. Remember, we talked about fractions last week. Yeah, Kelly?
13, and then a little leftover, 0.5.
Ah, awesome. So then what do we got for x right here? What's left? We got x all by itself. What do we got?
2.5.
Ah, great job, class. Yeah, so how did we feel about that problem, that first problem? Awesome. So yeah, not too bad. Did anyone need to fret with this? No worries? Awesome. So yeah, all we gotta do to solving these two-step equations is just isolate the x, get that all by itself. And we know that, what's the opposite of addition?
Subtraction.
Yeah, that's right. You both got it. And as Kelly just informed us, the opposite of multiplication is division. So all we gotta do is, those opposites, get that x by itself. And I believe in you all. You got this. All right. So let's